Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix when my iPhone has been grayed out. If you are using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your Find My iPhone settings have been grayed out and you're unable to turn it off. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to go back and open your settings app. In settings, just make sure that you haven't any connected VPN. Then tap on your Apple ID here and just select Find My. And you have to check if your Find My iPhone is working or not. If it's not working or if it's not opening yet from here, so you can easily fix that. You just have to try to enable your location services to fix this issue. Just go back and here go to the privacy and security section. Go to location services and enable this toggle to enable location services in your iPhone. You can also enable further settings. Just scroll down and look for system services and then look for significant locations and enable it from here. So after that, just simply go back and go to the Apple ID again and here go to Find My and you can easily disable it now, or if it's still not disabling, it might be that you have stolen device protection enabled in your iPhone, or if you might see that your location services has been disabled itself, so you have to go to your screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back and here go to Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode, and then you have to select stolen device protection from here. Just try to disable it. So in case of disabling, you have to face this security delay. So we just have to wait for almost 1 hour. It's a security delay of 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you can easily disable your stolen device protection. And after disabling your stolen device protection, you can easily disable Find My iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.